the law of systems. The ultimate goal of life is not for you to keep working. I told you hard work is demonic, right? Okay, I told you this. He who does not work shall not eat. Working is for eating, it's not for wealth. Biblically, it's for eating. Okay? Now, notice that God worked for 6 days. What we call work is creating systems. I'll say this slowly. Work is not going to get an income. No, that's ukchula. That's ukchula. Going to get an income? No, that's not work. God's description of work is creating systems which will keep bringing him income without him being present. So he creates trees. You never see God creating trees again. It's a system. Okay? The seed produces a tree. The tree has fruits. In those fruits are seed. When the fruits drop, they rot. The seeds will fall into the ground and to create more trees. So God doesn't need to come back 2,000 years later and start saying, let there be trees again. No. The sun, he has put it in place. It rotates. 6,500 years after its creation, it's still working. The moon, just like that. Now, if you want to function like God, there must be systems around you. Is there a system that you have put in place which brings you 5,000 every month? Without you being present. That's what brings rest. When the Bible is saying, and God rested, it's because he created systems. So it's not a job you want. No. It can be your starting place. A job is only bad if you have no plan afterwards. Okay? It's your starting place. Or from the job you can create some money to put in a business. Even the business, it must be systems you are creating. The goal is not for you to be present, it's for you to manage. Okay? When God was put these systems in place, then he got Adam a manager and put him there. Say, manage the systems. Me, I deal with you. You deal with the system. So God has made himself rest. He's not thinking of how many trees, how many. He's just dealing with one person. Adam just comes to ask Adam, how are things working? Oh, okay. Are there any issues? No. Adam, how are things working? No, they're fine. He's dealing with one being. Imagine how efficient that is.